Testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, primer. My primer doesn't change because, I mean, if it works and it's cheap, I'm not gonna change it. So I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. primer very quickly. This is 440. Now, again, I still think I can wear this by itself because it matches my face. However, my face and my chest do not match. So let's say I was, to go out. I can still go out because if I wasn't wearing makeup, my face and my body wasn't going to match to begin with. However, let's say just for the event, you want everything to be seamless. You want everything to be matching. Then what you do at this point, and even one of the Fenty advisors was telling me this as well, you just highlight and make sure that your highlight matches your chest. I'm going to use my Too Faced concealer in Chestnut, but I'm going to use too much. And I'll just use with the edge of, well, it's edgeless, but you get what I mean. I'm going to use the side of my beauty blender to just blend out my concealer under my eye, on the nose, on the cupid's bow area, and the chin. Okay, not too heavy. I like how that looks. Very nice, very soft. Settle powder. I could go in with my Mercier in medium deep, or I have my Fenty powder in honey. I haven't used this in a while. I'll use the Fenty powder just because I haven't used this in a long time. Oh, don't spill it. Don't spill it. I'm probably gonna spill it. If you don't want it too matte, I mean, I wouldn't suggest it, but if you're oily, yeah, this is a really good powder. I personally don't bake. I'm not into the baking thing, but I like to just, whether I use a beauty blender or a powder puff, I like to just press the powder into my skin, personally. That's how I've always been doing it. I don't think I've ever baked in my life. I just don't like the baked look. Again, that's just me. If you want to bake, go right ahead and bake. And I'm going to put some of that powder on my eye just to, kind of, not prime, but give it a light enough base so when we go in with eyeshadow, it's almost true to color. I'm not going in with powder on my forehead because it's a 5-head. We don't need to highlight that. But if you want to, you can. But I'm not going to. I'm going to go in with an all-over pressed powder. I have two options. I have the Charlotte Tilbury and I have my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish powder. I think the color of the Charlotte matches the 440 a little bit better, but I think the MAC is a little bit more on the translucent side. Honestly, I don't know what I want to do, because let me show you. Yeah, so these are two different shades, you can see. This one gives me a nice all-over flawless look, and then this, oh, did I? And Jerry, get your hands together. This one by MAC, the MAC gives me a nice flawless seamless, like I could mess up the blending with or just the placement of products, and if I go over with this, everything is smooth, everything is blended. This is my ride or die. This is one of my holy grails. So the Charlotte is a deeper color and I think it's technically more suitable. However, it's just more on the cool side. I don't love that part, but it's not bad. It can work too. But today I think I'm going to go over my face with the MAC. My voice, man. As I was saying, this I'm going to go over my whole face with it. This is actually more orange. Oh my god. Scrap that. Oh. Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in with my Mercier setting powder in medium deep, and I'm going to go all my stuff been this orange this long? To explain why I'm so bamboozled, it's because I typically use 430, which is more orange of a foundation, and therefore all my powders are more orange because it matches my 430. A bit of the Laura and see how. Let's see how that works. Actually, yeah, we're gonna use the Laura because it's not too orange. That's not bad. That's good. We can do that. I'll change my clothes. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Moisturize my lips. Ooh, I have my Fenty lip scrub. Should I just do that now? My lips are kind of dry, so let's just get into my lip scrub. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser in Lip Loving Scrub Stick. Scrub with love, the ultimate kiss prep. Is that it? Rub my lips a bit. Wow. I mean, yeah, it works. I like that. That's nice. I've tried lip scrubs from e.l.f. before, and that's good too. But my lips look good. Can't really tell. Can you tell? It just looks softer. Damn. So I'm just gonna go in with Bliss Sticks from the drugstore. Ooh. When they said Pro Kisser, yeah, these are kissable lips. These lips, wow. Damn. This I will get again. Wow. Wow. Okay. Well, that went well. I just knew when I put the lip gloss on top, it's just gonna look mwah. Okay, let's hurry up because my laptop says I've been recording for a good while and I have to go to work. Okay, eyebrows. So let's do eyebrows. Just take my angled brush and I swipe it across my brows. That's it. I'm not putting too much work or energy into these brows because I typically don't. But my brow method is very simple for the most part. So I use my brow powder to help create, you know, an overall shape, but you know, you want a certain amount of filling. And when I like that, I just go back in with my tail comb, comb it up, and press that down. Okay, and I do the same thing on the next side. This is looking nice. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Okay. I mean, I'm already using the Huda as a mirror. Should I just use it as an eyeshadow? Let's go in with the shade Raw. Raw? Actually, no. I'm gonna put Teddy. I'm gonna put Teddy in the center and then maybe like Raw near the edge. In the center. In the crease, just to, you know, soften that out. It's a very light eyeshadow look I'm doing. I'm not doing too much because, again, I mean, I was about to say because I'm going to work, but honestly, that's never stopped me before. I've done the most bold, crazy looks going to work. I just don't feel like it today. But also, to be fair, I used to do a lot of bolder eyeshadows during COVID because, I mean, I didn't really work from home. I used to go, you know, on sites every day, basically. However, because I wore the mask and I still wanted to, you know, express myself with makeup, I used to do some fun eyeshadow looks. If you guys want to see some fun eyeshadow looks, I mean, we can do that too. That would be fun. But yeah, let me know. I can do a video on that. But yeah, this is my little eyeshadow look. I think it's nice and soft. Do I want to do eyeliner? Okay, you know what I'll do? I'll do like a very tiny wing at the end. Just like that. I like that. I think that's just the right amount of, you know, I want to be a little glam, but not too much. I got to go. I know it's 7 o'clock. I see the sun shining outside. I like, the foundation has made a difference so far because it's giving editorial, soft glam, cover of Vogue. I'm pushing it, but you know, I'm just saying I like how this is looking. Should I go in with my Fenty bronzer or should I go in with my Rare Beauty blush? Bronzer. I think this one's a bronzer look. I'm going in with my bronzer in Mocha Mami. Mascara. It's a real Fenty face today. So I have the Fenty Hella Thick Mascara. Let me use the new lip gloss. So this is the pouch I got from the Fenty event. Along with the pouch, I got 2 mini samples that I got to choose from. So I chose a toner, which was it the fat water toner? It's in my bathroom, so I don't have that right now. But I also have this new gloss bomb. It's in the shade Pink Dragonfly. So I'm gonna try that. This is so cute. Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. I love this. This is a new favorite. And I'm not too big on pink glosses personally. So yeah, I like how this looks. And I'm pretty sure the fact that I use a Pro Kisser, I'm sure that helps. Like my lips just look wow. Now to set this with my All-Nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. Okay, this is the final look. I like how it looks. This came out better than I thought. I'm not even going to lie to you. I'm even surprised. But yeah, it's great. I love it. I'm excited to go to work and just be cute because I don't wear makeup all the time to work. So yeah, I like how this came out. But thank you everyone for watching this video. If you liked how I did my makeup, or you just even want to, you know, just be my friend, leave a like, comment below, and subscribe to this channel. And remember, self-care is how we practice self-love. Mwah! Bye!